Good morning, everyone. We are all blessed to see the light of another day. The planet Earth is a beautiful place to live in. Life has flourished on this planet thanks to the bountiful sun and the vast oceans of water. No matter where we go on this planet, there are stunning plants, flowers, and animals that catch our attention. The earth abounds in flora and fauna. They are two very important aspects for any ecosystem. Let's hear what our ambassador of change, Ayan Verma, intends sharing with us today.
Hello friends, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು. My friend just added. Now we also matter an egg and it makes our eyes strong. Did you know my teeth will grow like a nail grow? Like a mama? How to chop your nails every week? I have to chop my teeth by nibbling lots of carrots. So let's eat lots of carrot daily. It makes our eyes strong. Meet my friend Cake on Monkey. Banana has lots of vitamin B and it makes our bones strong. So eat one banana every day. Now my friend, the most intelligent animal in the earth. You know, dolphins sleep with the one eye at the time. Big shark cannot eat it. Dolphin don't have scales like other fish breeds. Lungs like you. So it jumps off the water every time. And we see dolphin shows in Singapore and Sydney. And here's my best friend Froggy. And this can also jump. Did you know how it breathes? And it drinks water with the skin. Skin is always slimy. Yuck. Still, it's my favorite friend. If you like my video, please press the bell icon and subscribe.